What are you waiting for? Arrival of 2025 and then new resolutions? No, my dear audience. First, you have to try these three things. First, strategy. Second, state. And the third, story. You have to do this before 2025 and then you will see that you are on the perfect road for fluency. What are these three things? Strategy, state and story. Because you have tried all these things, all the things to get fluency, yet you are not fluent. That's why you have stopped. You have stopped, or you are going to give up your journey of fluency. Are you giving up? But before giving up your journey, just give this strategy a try. 3S strategy. A try so that you can be a fluent English speaker. What is this? Strategy means the plan. You don't have to make your own plan first. Yes, dear audience, first you have to look up for the successful English learners, for the successful fluent English speakers who are not native speakers, yet they have achieved fluency in this area of English language. They are so much fluent that they look like native speakers. They are not blank, they don't feel hesitation, they don't feel any kind of problem which you are currently feeling. You just have to closely observe, minutely observe what they are actually doing. You don't have to pay attention towards what they are saying. Because if you are just wishing to climb the Mount Everest, remember you are not the one. There are many, or just 10,000 persons who have already climbed Mount Everest. Now you are the climber. You have to climb the fluency path. So there are already many fluent English learners, fluent English speakers who have achieved this roadmap. Now what they are doing, just look up for their plan, just look up the steps, just look up for the ways they have utilized. So by assessing, by analyzing all their strategies, all their plans, all their steps, now you are in the position to devise your own plan according to your own situation, which is suitable for you. From the timetable to the methods to the resources, each and everything. Which time is best for you? Whether it is morning time, evening time, or noon time, or night time. It's best for you. It's up to you to select. Number 2, which medium you are convenient with. Whether you are convenient with listening, speaking, reading, writing, what kind of mode you are quite convenient to read, quite convenient to follow. You have to follow the same path. If listening is your favorite area, then listen as much as you can. If reading is your cup of tea, then you have to read the books of your own choice in English language. If writing is your favorite spot or your favorite area, then you have to focus on writing. All these things will be a supplement for you to speak English well. Now number 2, state. Now you have to decide first, you have to analyze first whether you are in the state of resourceful mind or not resourceful mind. Because these are two things. If you have slept well, this is not the guarantee that you will feel energized, you will feel resourceful, or you will feel a positive mindset to follow your plan which you have devised, the strategy which you have devised. Now you have to analyze in which state of mind you are currently in, or in which state of mind you usually are in. This is very important. Present state of mind and the state of mind you have been during the previous months. Just analyze that. Most of the time, in which state you are. In a hopeless situation, in a dejected state, in a very pessimistic state, and you are just having negative self-talk that I can't achieve anything, or you are in a resourceful mindset that you can achieve anything. and you are admitting that there are many hurdles, there are many problems, there are many obstacles, yet you can be a fluent English speaker by overcoming all these things. So you have to decide first. Now, how can you uplift your state? How can you make your not resourceful mindset into the resourceful mindset? The best thing, the best strategy is to listen regularly. And I often suggest my audience that just listen Cristiano's motivational speeches. And you will see that he has not achieved this tremendous success or either on YouTube or in the playground just by overnight. You will come across to know that there was a time when he had not anything to eat, when he was not having anything to eat. He was born in a very poor family. He was not born with a silver spoon in his mouth. But by the dint of his hard work, by the dint of his resourceful mindset, because in his speeches, he often admits that my power is my mind. I control my power. I control my mind. I am not the person. I am not the perfect person, but I am just deriving. I am just pushing my mind, pushing myself to do the things. For example, the example which he quotes much, that he does not like to go to the gym, but he goes to the gym forcefully. Why? Because every single moment, every single drop, every single moment of your hard work, dedication, devotion, and your work is driving you towards your success. And every lazy moment, every sluggish moment, and every delaying process, and when you are not willing to do, you just deriving you back from your success, from your goal. Now you have to put your state of mind into a resourceful mindset, but just by watching Cristiano's videos, motivational videos, and you can also watch motivational videos early in the morning so that you can feel passionate, you can feel dedicated, devoted, determined to do marvelous things. It will be a note of your successful journey, successful initial process, initial journey. The third very important thing is story. Now, what is this story? Story is just a fabricated piece of thing which you are telling to yourself. Either you are just reminding yourself of your past, in which you are not a successful person, you are not a fluent English speaker, you are just a failure, you are just feeling many setbacks like blankness of mind, like hesitation, and the moments and the bad experiences in which you were badly ridiculed by your opponents, by your friends, by your colleagues, or by any person. Or you are just telling yourself, oh, you are just telling, very important point, you are just telling your mind, you are just telling yourself the bad, the painful, and the most horrible experiences of your life in fluency. And by this you are creating an opportunity. Why? Because by analyzing the bad situations, you will come across to know that what were the reasons, what were the exact reasons due to which I felt all these circumstances, and how I can avoid this. In this way, you will come across your weaknesses. So the better you know, and the sooner you know, the better it is. So you have to do, or you have to work on these three criterias, on three grounds, on three fields: strategy, state, and the story. And you will see that by amalgamation, by the mixture of all these things, before 2025, you will set a right tone for yourself. Because guidelines are important, steps, tips, and tricks are important, but the right thing is your strategy, your plan, which you have derived from other fluent English speakers and molded it back according to your own situation. Number 2, how you are molding, how you are converting yourself from not resourceful mind state of mind to the resourceful state of mind. And the third thing, what kind of story you are fabricating for yourself to tell when there is no one around you and your mind is overpowered by the thoughts. Your thoughts are actually creating a story for yourself. So with this positive note, have you learned something from this video? Is this a video an informative one for you? So if it is, if actually it is, give me a positive feedback and share it with your friends and family so that they can evaluate yourself, so they can utilize all the dejected, painful setback situations as an opportunity rather than as a depression and anxiety for yourself. With this positive note, I certainly end this video. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.